Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by powering the keyboard and getting your device ready. Insert fresh batteries or connect the built-in battery to charge. This prevents intermittent drops. Once done, switch the keyboard on and watch for the LED to indicate power. Make sure your computer's USB receiver port is free or open Bluetooth settings on the device. This readies communication. Doing these steps first saves time when pairing and ensures you're not troubleshooting power when the process begins. Now pair and confirm drivers so the keyboard communicates reliably. If Bluetooth, press the keyboard's pairing button until the LED blinks. Then on your device, choose the keyboard name and accept pairing. Drivers install automatically or prompt you. If using a USB receiver, plug it into a USB port and the keyboard usually connects within 5–10 seconds. Make sure no USB hubs block signal. If prompted, follow on-screen setup to map keys. This ensures proper layout and function. Finish by configuring and validating the keyboard so it performs as you expect. Test every key and media control in a simple text editor and make sure the layout matches your language settings. Change them in OS settings if needed. Once confirmed, install firmware updates via the manufacturer app to improve stability. If something goes wrong, repair the device, swap batteries, or try a different USB port. These quick fixes resolve most connection and responsiveness issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.